Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected with the internet, and then tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device first and then scroll to below, and here tap on background app refresh and make sure that background app refresh is turned on. Now after that you have to just simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on, and then you have to just simply go back and scroll to below. Here tap on screen time, scroll it on, and here tap on content and price restriction and then simply turn off this toggle from here. After turning it off guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.